How to fix Crumble Cookies app not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick guide on how we can fix your app not working. So let's get started, but before that, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So the very first thing we need to do is check if your app is updated or not. You need to see if you have downloaded the latest version of app or not, because that may be one of the issue that your app is not working properly. So for that, you need to go to your Google Play Store and here search for Crumble. After searching for it, tap on it, and instead of open here, you will see an update option if your app needs any kind of update. So the next option, what we can do is just go to the settings of the app. If that option doesn't work, for that you may just long press on it and tap on this eye icon, or you may go to your settings and directly go to the apps and search for this app. And when you tap on it, this interface appears. Here you need to go under usage, and here you see the storage option. Just tap on it, and here are two options. Below it, just tap on clear cache and clear data. Clear cache and clear data helps to reset your app and helps to make your app run smoothly. So even after that process doesn't work, then what we can do at the very last option is just uninstall the app and reinstall it. That will help you download the latest version as well and help you fix the error that is happening onto your device. So by following the steps, you can fix your Crumble app not working onto your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.